Hey guys, you have reached Regina TV, and today is Mannequin Head Monday, and this is episode number 5. Now, guys, I have just finished washing my mannequin head, and today I am going to show you a really pretty style that you can do on your own hair. Now, after you finish parting the hair off, it should look like this. Okay? Now, to make this hairstyle easier, what we are going to do is part off the sides. Now, once you get both sides parted off, we are going to pull all that hair in the back middle all the way up into a smooth ponytail. Now, I'm going to tell you guys, this is going to be easier doing this on your own hair than on this mannequin head. Now, once you have the back smoothed up, we are going to put a scrunchie on the hair to hold it in place. Now that the hair is smoothed up in the back, what we are going to do is incorporate both sides and smooth it into the ponytail. Now guys, if you are new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I hope you will consider subscribing. To all of my ride or dies, hey you all, what is up? Now the reason why I separate the hair like this and pull it up in a ponytail separately and not all together is because it's easier to work with like this. Whether you have long hair or short hair, it will be easier. Just try it. And if you try it, leave it in the comment section down below if parting the hair off made it easier for you. So here we are just rubber banding the hair, and look at that. It looks nice and neat. Okay, so now we have our set looking like this. Later on in the video, I am going to tell you what you can do with this ponytail that we put in the back. So now it's time for us to tackle the top. We are going to part this hair off in the top just like we did on the sides, and you'll know why in a minute. Now we didn't take much hair off in the front, and no, it is not going to be a bang. You'll see later on in the video. This is how much hair you should take off when parting the top. And we're going to take the rest of the hair and add it to the ponytail in the back. By now, guys, I hope you have hit that thumbs up. I hope you have hit that like button because you are letting me and YouTube know that you are loving these videos. Now the top should look exactly like this. Not too much is parted off. So what we are going to do now is take some Dollar Tree gel and we are going to put it in the front. And you don't need a lot of gel either. Now for all of you all who have told me that you would love to do your own waves, this is the reason why we're parting off the hair. Because if you part off the hair and start your waves, then it's easier to work with because we're only using the hair that we parted off. Now I am just applying gel as I make each wave. And depending on what I want to do with these waves, I'm making the ridges high. Now, like I have said before you all, I am just showing you a nice, quick, and easy hairdo. You all can do this on your own hair. And if you feel like you can't, then go get a mannequin head and practice. But this is the way I taught myself to wave my own hair. Alright, so we are making the ridges, we are combing the hair, and we're making our ridges high. Now I done got to the part where we have parted off the hair in the top, so I need to make another part to give me some more hair to wave. And you're going to keep on doing this until you have enough waves in your hair. Now that should be enough hair right there, so I am going to clip the rest of the hair off, being careful that I do not mess up the waves in the front. So I am going to continue to wave the hair that is loose, and then I will be back to show you what we are going to do with it. Now, when you see what we are going to do with this hairstyle, it's up to you to switch it around however you like, because you are going to have a lot of options. So we are just going to secure those waves in place with some clips, and it should look like that. And you want to make sure that those clips is directly behind the waves so the waves won't move. Now here is what I was telling you all before. It's up to you on what you want to do with this ponytail. You could either leave it like it is and add a ponytail, like a drawstring ponytail or something on it, make a ball behind there. But what we're going to do with the hair in the front of this, we are going to roll it. Now I'm going to tell you, there's a lot of secrets that you can do with this hairstyle that will make it so easy for you to achieve this hairstyle, but we'll get all off into that another time. Now, depending on what size rollers you use, that's how many curls that you can have. I pulled out my large green rollers. I am going to rod everything. And I'm going to tell you this is another tip. If you want a lot of curls, then separate each roller 5 times. The more you can separate each roller curl, the more curls you will have. Also, if you want it really, really fuller, then use smaller rollers. So I'm back here where the ponytail is, you all, and I have decided to just go ahead and roll it up. All right, we are done rolling the hair, and it should look like this. Now that we are done rolling the hair, what we are going to do is use a bag hooded dryer. I got this from Walmart. After letting her dry up for a little bit, I came back and I checked her hair, and that's what you're going to do. You're going to come back and forth and check the hair and see how dry it is or isn't. And it's looking like this. Now I'm checking the hair. The waves are still wet, but I still want to lift them. So I'm going to take my pick, and the ridges that we made earlier, I'm just going to lift them up because this will allow the air to get underneath the waves and dry it faster. Now we use gel to wave her hair, but if you use foam, I'm pretty sure that it will dry faster. Now while we are lifting these waves, feel free to use spritz on this hair or some hairspray on this hair to hold the waves in place of how you lift them up. Look at that, guys. Look at that. So the waves are still a little damp, but the hair in the roller was dry. So I decided to take all of the rollers out. That way to give the waves a little bit more chance to dry. So by now, guys, I want you to leave it in the comment section down below if you are enjoying the video. Also leave in the comment section down below anything that you would like for me to show you. An easy way, to style your hair that does not take a lot of effort. Look how pretty these curls look, you all. Look at that. So after taking all the rollers out of her hair, I did sit her back underneath the dryer to let the waves dry up a little more. But this is the way that she's looking right now. Now, because I know how to work these waves and these curls, you all, she did not dry completely, but that is okay. The more you let the hair dry, the higher you will be able to lift the waves. So right now, I am just going behind each ridge that we made earlier, and I am just lifting up the hair. Okay? Now, by now, you should have your own idea of how you will want to style your hair because you can go so many different ways with this style. So now, you all, I am going to just pin the hair down. And remember, we did not use any hairspray, any spritz, none of that. We are just pinning the hair down behind the waves. So basically, this is the way the hair is looking now that we have lifted up the waves, and the curls is looking like this. Now from this point, you all, you can do anything. Okay, so this is the way the hair is looking, and now it's time to put some oil in our hands to shine up these curls. Now because I use big rollers, you all, depending on how full you want the top, then you can separate each curl like 5 to 6 times. The more you separate each curl, the more curls and the more fuller it will be. And if you want it even more fuller than that, use smaller rollers. Now here I am just pinning the ponytail up that we had in the back. I'm pinning it up. Now, if you was going to leave that ponytail down, you could put a drawstring ponytail on the back of there or the ponytail that I showed you 2 weeks ago. Now, the more that I am separating these curls, you all, look how pretty this style is looking. And that's all I'm doing, making sure oil is on my hands and I'm taking my time and I'm separating and placing the curls. Now, if you remember, guys, we only used the top of the hair, but this style is going to make it look like you did your whole head. If you part off the top of your hair where we put the waves at and just take little pieces of hair at a time to wave it, your waves will look exactly like this, even if you have to put a track or two in. But if you don't want to do that, just take a little bit at a time and you will master waving your own hair. So we are towards the end of the video, you all. I want to thank you for coming by, spending this time with me. I will post pictures at the end of this video so you can see exactly how the hair turned out, which was beautiful. You have reached Regina TV. Do not forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Leave in the comment section down below anything that I did not address that you want to know, and you already know that I am going to answer you back. Also, guys, I have another channel. It is called Regina's Way. Head on over there, thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share to that channel as well, because you are letting me and YouTube know that you are enjoying the content. Well, until next Mannequin Head Monday, you all, check this style out, and I am going to see you next Monday.